Before you begin, make sure you warm up. I'll leave a link to my warm-up video in the description below. Fold your leg in and reach for your leg. Try to grab your leg and pull it closer to you. We're gonna do this for 10 seconds. Now lean to your side, and this will help stretch out your side. This is really important when doing your scorpion. Now repeat on the other side. Now we're going to do a pike stretch with our feet flexed. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now point your feet up. And done. Great job. To be able to do a scorpion, one of the most important things to have is leg flexibility. So we're going to do a couple of leg stretches, starting with a reverse lunge. Now slide your arm underneath to get a deeper stretch. Make sure to keep your back straight. And now we're going to do a quad stretch. So pull your foot as close to you as possible. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. And now we're going to do some lunges, starting with an elbow lunge. Make sure your knee is locked and push your thigh as close to the ground as possible. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now sit upright in your lunge, and if you can, raise your hands up to go deeper into the stretch. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now that we're done with our lunges, we're going to slide into a split. Go as low as you can and hold it there for 10 seconds. Now lean forward and try to hug your leg. Now, if you have one, now would be a great time to get your resistance band. But don't worry, you can still do this exercise without it. We're going to try do an L-split with our resistance band. And this is a great exercise because it is very similar to a scorpion, so it's great practice. If you don't have a resistance band, just use your hand to try grab your leg. If you can't grab your leg yet, just hold your splits. And we're going to do this for 20 seconds. Now, to make sure both our legs are stretched, we're going to repeat all those exercises on the other side. We're going to start with the reverse lunge. Now slide it under. And now a quad stretch for 10 seconds. Now we move into an elbow lunge. Now sit up straight in your lunge, and if you can, raise your hands up. Remember, this will really help you get deeper into the stretch. Now slide into your splits and hold for 10 seconds. And lean forward, trying to hug your body to your legs. Try to keep a straight back if you can. And now we're going to do an L split with our resistance band. If you don't have a resistance band, remember, just try to grab your legs or stay in your splits. And now we're going to do a shoulder stretch. So with your hands behind you, make sure your palms are facing your back and try to bend your elbows. Bend them as low as you can and hold this position for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do 10 backward kicks on each side just to make sure our back is nice and warmed up. Doing a scorpion requires a ton of back flexibility, so this is really important. If your back still doesn't feel stretched out after this, you can check out my back bend video for some more intense stretches. I'll leave a link in the description below. And now we're going to do 10 cat-cows. So arch your back and round it out 10 times. And now we're going to hold that arch for 20 seconds. Try to draw your belly button to the ground and feel that arch as you curve upwards. And now round your back. If you're doing this right, you should feel the vertebrae of your spine separating after all that arching. Amazing job, guys. We're almost done, just a few more exercises to go. Now stay on your knees and with your hands on your waist, try to arch back as far as you can. Try not to lean back with your knees. Keep your legs as stable as possible and try to arch only with your back. Now in the same position, we're going to go up and down 5 times, trying to touch the floor. You don't have to reach the floor, just go as far as you can. And now we're doing a seal stretch for 20 seconds. This really is a full body stretch because we want our body to be as flexible as possible before we dive into doing the scorpion. And now we're going to do a child's pose to rest our back after all those stretches. Now our last exercises on the mat is going to be a frog pose. Because remember, leg and hip flexibility are important to do a scorpion. We're holding this for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do 10 kicks on each side. And now we're going to do a standing quad stretch. We're going to do this on both sides for 10 seconds. To practice doing the scorpion, grab your leg and move it to the side. Then try to raise it as high as possible. Try to hold this position for 10 seconds and really try to raise it as high as you can. And now repeat on the other side. Guys, I am so sorry my footage of me actually doing the scorpion got deleted, but this is pretty close. Try and grab your foot with your other hand and raise it over your head. You can use something to balance. I'm using a tree, but if you don't have a tree, just use whatever you have. If you can, let go of the tree and try to grab your leg with both hands. Then straighten your standing knee, and surprise, you're in a scorpion. Great job.